Hi everybody, this is Chris for part 14 of Breakthrough Chinese Pronunciation from fluentinmandarin.com, the video series that helps you to perfect your Mandarin Chinese pronunciation and tones. As always, remember that I'm using colors as well as the tone marks on the top of the letters to represent the 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese, as well as the syllables which are unstressed. So here's a quick reminder of the colors that I'm using. In this video, we're going to be looking at the I sound in pinyin. And this can actually represent 2 different sounds, so we're going to look at them separately. First of all, it can represent a sound which sounds a little bit like a double E in English. Let's try practicing this with some different words.
Yi.
In the first tone, this is the number 1.
Bi.
This is in the third tone. It means a pen or a brush.
皮肤
This means skin.
米饭
This means rice. And both of these characters on their own also mean rice.
弟弟
In this word, the first syllable is a 4th tone, and the second syllable is just uttered, it's not stressed. This means a younger brother.
踢足球
In the first tone, this syllable means to kick. So, 踢足球 means to play football or to play soccer.
你好
This is one of the most common words that you'll learn in Chinese. It's a common way to greet people.
力量
This means strength or force.
鸡蛋
This is a first tone, then a 4th tone. It means egg. The first character here means chicken, and the second character means egg.
生气
This means to get angry.
学习
This X sound is a little bit difficult. We're going to come back to this in a future video. But for now, just try to say it as accurately as you can. This means to study.
学习
Okay, now let's move on to the second type of sound which the I can represent. It's similar to the beginning of the word shirt, if you were saying it in an American accent, shirt, but cutting off the word before you get to the R sound. It's not exactly the same as this, but this should give you a bit of a guide so you can start making this sound. Try to copy the native speaker as accurately as you can and keep practicing this and listening and comparing until you get it accurate. Okay, let's try practicing it.
是是
但是
但是 means but.
知道
This is a first tone and a 4th tone. This means to know. Some people also say this word with the second syllable unstressed.
吃饭
This is a first tone, then a 4th tone. This means to eat or to eat rice.
星期日
Now we had this RI sound in the previous video. Try practicing it again in this word. This means Sunday.
星期日
Okay, now we have 3 more syllables, and in these syllables, your tongue might be slightly further towards the front of your mouth because the consonant on the beginning is different, but it's almost the same sound. Okay, let's try practicing these.
资源
This word means resources.
资源两次
This means twice. If you remember, the C sound is a little bit like a soft TS sound in English.
思想
This means thoughts or thinking.
思想
Okay, we've covered another difficult sound in this lesson, so keep practicing it and you will get there.
Okay, don't stop watching just yet because I've got something really special for you. The tones are a really important part of Chinese, so I've put together a 5-minute Chinese tones trainer, including an ebook and MP3 audio that will help you practice recognizing the tones in Mandarin, in words and in sentences, and you can get it absolutely free. Just click on the link on the screen right now or in the description below this video to sign up, then confirm your email address and I'll send the trainer out to you. Thanks for checking out this video and see you very soon.